Welcome to the 3-minute minis. This is my first video in this series, so I'm really excited. I'm going to show you how I make cute little fondant figurines in 3 minutes or less. So let's get to it.
You go. You go. I won't let you go. Oh, Paris, I won't let you go.
So thanks for joining me, Shelly, the little black shade tree. I can't wait for the next little video on the 3-minute mini so you can see another adorable fondant figurine. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.